Hey guys, this is Rich with Solace SUP. Just wanted to go over some tips with installing a stand-up paddle deck pad. And this is our 8.6 model here with a recess handle. First thing you want to do is clean your surface. We use a natural glass cleaner. This gets rid of any debris. Then what you want to do is lay your deck pad out on the board to see exactly how you want to position it. Then after doing that, you want to go ahead and actually pick up one of the pieces. I fold back the wax paper underneath about 1 inch. This will expose that surface, so later when you actually lay it, you can put it back in position. First thing you want to do is secure your corners. Big thing with this is that the corners are good, so you don't have the whole pad attached yet. So down the road when you get there, you can actually do any adjustments if needed. Then once you have that, of course you want to do all 4 pieces. I use a straight edge, helps line up the pad, doesn't hurt to measure. These are long, so sometimes you have to adjust from one end to the other. And moving on, once you secure the inside of the pad, you can actually start picking it up. You do want to wipe down the surface before you actually start rolling that pad out. But what you do is just slowly pull that wax paper, working your hand up and down the pad, just making sure it has full contact with the board. And then you'll go around pressing down all the corners, just making sure that everything's secure on that end. Then going around, of course you want to do that with all 4 pieces. Next we're going to cut the handle. You just want to feel around. You can actually make an indentation where the handle is. Then you want to make a slit down the middle from one end to the other. I use a skinny box blade. I like these because you can actually extend that out about 1 inch, 1.5 inches, and have that flex and just work that around the contour of that handle right on the edge so you can get a clean cut. Just make sure that you have a sharp blade, and sometimes it'll come out in pieces just because that bottom is super sticky. But if you just keep on working it, you'll eventually get a nice clean outline. Then what I do, this actually helps out with this type of handle, which is recessed inside the board. I'll use a heavy grit or a large grit sandpaper. Just hold that at a slight angle, working around the edges of that handle, getting any big loose particles out of there. Then I'll move to a finer grit, doing the same thing, the smooth and fine tuning that area where it's actually lined up with the handle. You can pretty much work that until you're happy with it and make it nice and clean. There it is. That is our 4-piece deck pad installed. If you have any questions, please visit us at solacesupboards.com. If the video has helped you out, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and feel free to share.